Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing the AUDEZE Isine10, and this one is for Apple iPhones, iPads, whatever. And this one's the first, actually, I think the first planar magnetic in-ear headphones. It says in-ear headphones because, you know, this one is actually huge. Now, let's take a look at the box. AUDEZE planar magnetic technology right there, lower distortion, and let's open it up, see what's inside. There you go, looks cool. Put it a little bit closer to the camera so that you can see it. There you go. Let's try to open it up. There you go. Whoa, nice box. Pretty cool box right there. Take a look at it. AUDEZE. There you go. Let's take a look at the carrying case right here. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Whoa, nice. Certificate of authenticity. Nice. Oh. There it is. Oh, even the one who inspected it has a sign in there. Well, that's cool. That's cool. Here's another one. Ear tips right here. Cool, nice. And this one, what is this? Ear tips as well. Ribbed one. This one is let's check it. Check what it is. Oh, ear hooks. There you go. One is transparent, and the other one is black. I prefer this one. I'll probably use that one. There you go. Nice. Well, let's explore this one as well. This one is what they call the in-ear hooks, I think. This one's made out of rubber, I think. Yeah, that's soft. Lots of ear hooks right here. What's this one? Oh, I don't know what that is. Clip to hold your earphones, headphones again. Oh, ear hooks. Now this one is actually cool. User guide in a USB. Look at that. That's pretty neat. That's nice right there. AUDEZE. Open it up. Ooh! USB right there. User guide. It's the first time I've seen something like this. Now let's take a look at the pouch. Pretty cool as well. But I'm actually worried about this. Oh, it has a cable right there. Ah, there it is. This one is the cipher cable right here. This one is for your iPhones and other iDevices. It has a 24-bit DAC inside this thing right here. I'm going to check it out if it actually works. I've seen some reviews about it saying that the earphone sounds a bit better when you're actually using this one instead of this normal 3.5mm cable. So right there, 2-pin AUDEZE. That's nice. I won't open it up. I don't need to. I'm going to use the other one anyway. Now, this one is what worries me right here. The pouch has an opening on the bottom and on the top part. So if you put your ear tips right there, you probably will get lost. So this one, I don't really like this pouch right here. Now let's take a look at the main event of the evening. Let's take a look at the main event. How do you take it off? That's the question. Now I'll figure it out. There you go, I figured it out. I was actually trying to take off the whole thing, but I can't, so I might as well take the earphones off. Let me show you. There it is. Looks really cool, eh? Now this one is actually an open back planar magnetic earphone. So if you're actually listening to it, some sound will leak out, and you know, the one beside you will be able to hear it, because this one is open back. See those grills right there? Now let's check the other one. Oh, come on, boy. Come on, buddy. There it is. So there you go. Unboxing of AUDEZE Isine10 planar magnetic in-ear headphones. Look at that. It's actually magnetic. Look. It's nice. Sticks to each other. Now, what I'll do is just plug this one first. Whoa! Fell down. Don't do that to me. This one's actually expensive. So let's try this. I'm gonna have to put it like this. Or what? There you go. And the other one. Let's put it in. Let's see if it actually goes in there. Nice. So that's how it looks like with the cable attached to it. Looks like the Star Wars ship, but it looks cool. I like it. So there you go, guys. Unboxing of AUDEZE Isine10 right here on Pinoy Tech Unboxing. So if you want to subscribe, just click the subscribe button right there. I'm gonna be coming up with more unboxings and probably some reviews of the previous unboxings that I've made as well. So there you go, guys. See you again next time. Ciao. Peace. Bye.